It's been awesome being on tour. It would have taken me 2 to 4 months to plan this trip, but Great Journeys took care of it all and they gave us the most amazing holiday. It was so reassuring to have such a personable and experienced guide.
There were many highlights to our tour. One of them had to be our effusive tour director. We really enjoyed his commentaries, choice of spectacular photo locations, and well-picked out hotels. Not to mention the fun dinners we shared as a group.
One of the highlights of the trip was our tour director. We made a personal connection with the locals we met along the way because of him.
It's been an absolute joy being on this rail tour. Not only it has been efficiently run, I felt like I've been traveling with friends rather than a tour group.
A highlight of our trip would definitely be the incredible scenery aboard the train through the Southern Alps. The views were breathtaking and the train staff were very attentive.
I'd say the main advantage to joining a Great Journeys rail tour was to explore New Zealand by train, also having that local knowledge and visiting off the beaten track destinations.